Usema ukweli kuna mtu amenyosha. Aya, next on stage. Yani hakuna sawa tu. Wacha 1800 nipatiane tu bure. DJ play tune.
Now introduction. DJ Madness. You know we love you much at time. Anytime we coming in the sun. On me she a wine crown me action. Fun we know what bad man. Girl you are the best. You are the best my girl. Man so I need bad girl. You are the best. You are the best my girl. Bad man always need bad girl.
Okay. Next. DJ.
Now introduction. DJ Madness. You know we love you much at time. Anytime we coming in the summer. On me she a wine crown me action. Fun we know what bad man. Girl you are the best. You are the best my girl. Man so I need bad girl. You are the best. You are the best my girl. Bad man always need bad girl.
Easy. So ni hawa contestant haraka haraka, chagua mtu unaweza shinda, chagua mtu.
Next to me, this a girl I want flex with me, press with me, nothing less sissy. So nigga you are the best of me. The girl I want like a gypsy, one more shot and she get tipsy. She have the dipsy, the dipsy. Second on me baby, you just say you want drive me crazy. The way you want you amaze me, you don't take a bullet, take a bullet.
Okay, sijui zinamaanisha nini vitu mnafanya. Aya, wakurugenzi mnaonaje welcome. Oya kanyage ama uyaende? Umesema kanyage? Wewe ni dance unaweza rukia hapo. Nani msichana na naruka tu. Aya. 1 2. Wewe uko na partner? Amenda. So we qualify next round. Aya. Get on stage. Where? Selector. Play tune. Go stage.
Baby, one phone there.
Aya, short time. Haikuwa serious. Umeenda. Aya, kuja stage. Ka nyuma. Rudi hapa. Ingia stage. Uko na point ya kujirudia, kujaingia contest nyingine. Sawa? Huyu ameingia amechoka. Ukiweza muoshe, ukiosha unatembea na Yesu. Sawa? Aya, nifungulie stage. DJ play tune.
Girl, you are the one, oh baby, girl, you are the one. Your body hot, so you want a sturdy one.
Short time.
Your body right in, oh you're right in.
Short time.
You want my wifey, set it up now. Come girl, take your time with the body now.
mmoja tujuko na nini guys. Wana take advantage hapa. Ama DJ, suniguzie Lingala basi. Guza tuone. Watana danso, liguzie Lingala mmoja. Ili tupatie finalist ni nani? Play tune. Ongeza BPM.
Le propriétaire de tous les dossiers. Hey! 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 Avec la participation de Josephine numéro 1. Hey! 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 Ah! Yo! Africa, là c'est comme tout la vie papa. Nous on va mal. La ligne de la bitch na yo. Tu vas me cabiner. Pour les gars, tout le monde on a zanga. Pinga de cabine de ya. 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 Pinga de cabine de ya.
Guys, wasema ni nani? Uya kanyage ama uyaende? Uya kanyage. Wewe ni kadogo, tumia stairs. Wewe, oya. Get on stage. Stay Lingala DJ, sawa? Ukioshwa, osheka. Next category wako ready? I need them here. Nataka wakae hapa. Nikiona tag number 1 na wahitaji hapa, sawa? If you are ready, uniambie. If you are not ready, aya. DJ.
Le propriétaire de tous les dossiers. Hey! 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 Avec la participation de Josephine numéro 1. Hey! 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 Ah! Yo! Africa, là c'est comme tout la vie papa. Nous on va mal. La ligne de la bitch na yo. Tu vas me cabiner. Pour les gars, tout le monde on a zanga. Pinga de cabine de ya.
I see. Leka. Satan.
Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle. Comment tu
Leka.
Je m'appelle Coupé Bibomba.
I see.
Je m'appelle Coupé Bibomba.
Leka.
Sinzakoti abimina malembe. Sinzakoti abimina malembe.
Kusema ukweli, kuna mtu ameoshwa. Sijui ni nani ameoshwa, lakini kuna mwenye ameoshwa. DJ, labda yeye hiyo sio stronghold yake. Hebu nirudishie tu dancehall, tunajua tuone kama usafi itakamilika. Rudisha tu dancehall. Ama niguzia mapiano. Niguzia mapiano. Ama piano. Ama piano. Aya, selector niguzia mapiano. Shoot it. Nikisema next round wapatie matako. Hiyo ndio mnataka eh? After hii category si ndio? Lakini size guys, umeona aje? Hapa. Achi. Wameshikania. Kwa hivyo nimalize hii category nijue ni nani. Si ndio? Aya, soka tu nyuma, prepare basi, prepare. Aya, next. Energy, wake up.
Hello, I got to tell you, them kind of feelings. No, said you're independent, baby, but somehow me want help you. When the skinny talk, girl, that's the best view. And the right pussy right on the left you. See the anything you want, or when you get moved. The deal buzz. Aish. Boy, from Nairobi to Kingston. You count them. This money couldn't get no better. Chase the crowd, bring it together. Everybody come together. Boys and girls, and wine. This one gon' make you move real slow. Bubble down, no, make it run slow. This one don't cause no trouble. Run up the bank. This one is gonna make you high. Like a good push, gonna make you high. When you hear my sound coming through the speaker, so sweet when you hear me through the speaker. This one is gonna set you on fire when you're looking at me and you see me. Coming at it out and I'm waiting and looking for a new boy. Coming at it out and I'm waiting and looking for a you're driving, moving like superstar, and I'm flexing in your Jeep. Come down the street, so you're looking good. You got me and she's so just keep her and your food. Let me see your salute. Got this and she alone. And let me see your just misbehave and don't be afraid. I want to see your just wake up.
Short time. Again. Kuanguka chini ni sawa, lakini mbona unapanda ukishuka? Si ameanguka imetosha. Una pump, okay. Haya. Akopi, kuna cost, niko na akopi, ameenda wapi? 1800. Kuja. 1800 wapi? 1800 hapa. 1800 hapa. Wapi kelele hapa? Wapi kelele? Unafilaje? Rudi hapa. Usifanye ni change mind. Sawa, tulia hapo, sawa? Good. Unafilaje? Mafans wamesema nikujenge 1800. Sawa? Relax. Ni sawa, nimekusikia. Wacha tusikie vile nataka. Mafans wamesema tupatie 1800. Out of the 1800, utapatia mwenzako ngapi? Utapatia 700. Ukule 1100. Wewe nipatie 1800, utapatia ngapi?
Tungegawana like fair like.
Sasa juu leo mimi King Solomon nifanye nini? Umesema ni nusu mkate. Nusu mkate. Akule yake 9, akule yake ngapi? Siko sawa? Gosi, where is my coach? Jamaa mwingine ameenda wapi? Wacha akuje, sawa? Kaa tu hapo backstage, sawa? Wait my coach.